Here we have a few windows on which some of the putty has fallen away from the beading. This is quite easy to replace. Start by removing the loose putty. It's not necessary to remove all of the window putty, just take out the loose sections of putty and leave the sections that are still sticking firmly to the wood. We'll just putty around them. Now, the secret of a good putty job is to paint over the open areas of wood with a universal undercoat. The undercoat will seal the pores of the wood and prevent the frame from absorbing the oils in the putty. If the oils are absorbed into the wood, the putty will crack, which will make the windows look terrible. Universal undercoat dries quickly, and so you can begin the putty application in about 2 hours. Knead the putty for a couple of minutes to make it soft, either in the packet or in your hand. Some people roll a clump of putty into a sausage and then press it into the joint between the window and the wooden frame and straighten it using a putty knife. Most professionals simply press the putty into position with their thumb and then use the putty knife to compress it and to create the shape. Neither method is wrong. Both get the job done quite well. As you run the putty knife along the putty, make the top edge level with the putty on the inside of the window. In this way, you won't see the outside putty from the inside, and you won't see the interior putty from the outside. Join the corners well, and satisfy yourself that the putty is making a good seal to keep out water when it rains. Most putty brands need 2 weeks to dry and to harden before they can be painted. There are putties overseas that can be painted the next day, but they haven't appeared on our shores yet. Once the putty has hardened, cover the area with a universal undercoat and 2 top coats of water-based paint to finish. This job has taken about 2 hours of actual work. Now that's not regarding the drying time of the putty, which is 2 weeks, and the paint coats. The paint coats took about 2 hours each to dry. But if correctly done in this way, it should keep your windows looking good for the next 10 to 15 years at least.